Did you hear Anurag Kashyap's latest bombshell? He's calling out Bollywood for racism. What he said about Nawazuddin and Manoj Bajpayee is shocking. Anurag Kashyap, known for his bold and unconventional films, has always been vocal about industry issues. In a recent interview, he highlighted the rampant racism within Bollywood. He specifically mentioned how actors like Nawazuddin Siddiqui and Manoj Bajpayee are often stereotyped and judged based on their looks and backgrounds. Kashyap said, "They think Nawazuddin is dark-skinned and Manoj Bajpayee is a gaonwala, village man." This statement sheds light on the superficial judgments that often overshadow talent and hard work in the industry. He went on to explain how these stereotypes affect the careers of many talented actors. It's unfortunate that despite their immense talent, actors like Nawaz and Manoj have to fight against such biases. They are often typecast and not given the roles they deserve, Kashyap added. Nawazuddin Siddiqui, one of the finest actors in Bollywood, has faced numerous challenges due to his skin color. Despite his exceptional performances in films like Gangs of Wasseypur and The Lunchbox, he has often been subjected to colorism. Anurag Kashyap's revelation highlights the deeply ingrained prejudices that still exist in the industry. Manoj Bajpayee, another critically acclaimed actor, has also been a victim of such biases. Known for his powerful performances in films like Satya and Aligarh, Bajpayee's rural background has often been used to stereotype him. Kashyap's comments bring to light the struggles faced by actors who come from non-urban backgrounds. Kashyap didn't stop at highlighting these issues but also emphasized the need for change. The industry needs to move beyond these superficial judgments. Talent and dedication should be the only criteria for casting an actor, he stated. Fans and industry insiders have shown support for Kashyap's bold statements. Many took to social media to express their agreement and admiration for his courage to speak out. One fan tweeted, "Kudos to Anurag Kashyap for calling out the racism in Bollywood. It's high time we address these issues." Kashyap's remarks have also sparked discussions about the broader issues of colorism and classism in Indian society. His comments resonate with many who face similar prejudices in various fields. In conclusion, Anurag Kashyap's revelations about the racism in Bollywood provide a stark reminder of the biases that still exist in the industry. His call for change is a step towards a more inclusive and fair environment where talent is recognized and celebrated, regardless of skin color or background. Thank you for watching. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more updates on your favorite celebrities and the latest in entertainment news. Stay tuned for more.